All right, Fox News alert now. Our colleague at FoxNews.com reporter Jana Winter will not return to Colorado to testify. You might recall she had been ordered to reveal sources for a bombshell story after the movie theater shooting in Aurora, Colorado. That was about 2 summers ago. Senior judicial analyst Anna Napolitano here to analyze this. And Judge, good day to you.
Hi, Bill.
Were you surprised?
Yes.
That it went this way? How come?
Yes, I was very surprised. You know, I have consulted with Jana. She is our friend and our colleague, and in my view, she was on the right side of the law. But before this decision today, the cases went the other way. That is to say, when a judge ordered a reporter to surrender her notes, the reporter either surrendered the notes or went to jail. This decision that came down just a few moments ago by the New York State Court of Appeals, Bill, which is the highest state court in the state of New York, has firmly established the public policy of the state of New York as the most pro-First Amendment, pro-freedom of speech policy in the United States of America. Because the state of New York basically said to Jana Winter and to all of our colleagues in the journalism industry, you can disregard a subpoena from a judge of another state if you are a New York journalist, because the New York law will protect you.
Wow, that is significant. Did she get lucky having that case in New York?
Well, you know,
there in the first place?
She works here with us at Fox. She lives here, and she wrote her story from here. So by all equities, New York law should apply. The folks in Colorado, who are the lawyers representing James Holmes, the defendant in this mass murder, argued that because she wrote about a Colorado event and because she twice visited Colorado, the Colorado law should apply. But when the New York court this morning applied New York law and said our law provides greater protection for freedom of speech than Colorado law, it's a tremendous victory for the freedom of speach and those who rely on the freedom of speech to do our work.
Is the case over?
The case is over. There's really no appeal from this. So it's a tremendous and unexpected victory.
Yeah, I would say. And what did she report on that was considered so egregious in that case?
She learned from some sources whom she declined to reveal that James Holmes, the defendant in this mass murder, wrote images of himself committing a mass murder in a notebook and sent the notebook to his psychiatrist, a psychiatrist at the University of Colorado, so a state employee. Now the implication is that the state was warned of the murder a week beforehand and did nothing about it. When Mr. Holmes's lawyers learned of this, they wanted to know, who told you this? How did you learn about it? And she declined to tell them who.
Okay. It is breaking news now. Judge, thanks. Good to have you on.
Pleasure, Bill.
In such short order, too. Thank you, Judge.